እንደምን አላችሁ ውድ ተማሪዎች። በዛሬው ዕለት የምናየው የ12ኛ ክፍል የእንግሊሽ ሞዴል ኤግዛሞችን አብረን እንሰራለን። የእንግሊዝኛ ሞዴል ኤግዛም በመጽሐፍ መልክ አዘጋጅተናል። ይህ መጽሐፍ 2500 አካባቢ ጥያቄዎችን የያዘ መጽሐፍ ነው። እነዚህ 2500 ጥያቄዎች ከነ መልስና ማብራሪያ ኤክስፕላኔሽን ጋር የያዘ መጽሐፍ ነው። ለእያንዳንዱ 100 ጥያቄዎች በአጠቃላይ 25 ሞዴል ኤግዛሞችን ያዘጋጀንበት ነው። ይሄ ሞዴል ኤግዛም ኢንትራንስ ኤግዛም እንደምትፈተኑት አይነት ታይፕ ነው። ወርድ ኦርደር የሚላለው፣ ፓራግራፍ ኮንፈረንስ ወይም ደግሞ ጃምፕልድ ሴንቴንስ የሚላለው፣ ሪዲንግ ወይም ፓሴጅ፣ እንደዚህም ግራመር አለው፣ ፓንክቹዌሽን፣ ኮሚኒኬሽን ፓርት አለው፣ ቮካብላሪ፣ ሰብስቲቱሽን እና ኮምፕሌሽን የሚል ፓርት ማለት ነው። ሌላ ደግሞ ራይቲንግ ለሴንቴንስ ኮምፕሬሽን የሚል ቶፒክ አለው ወይም ደግሞ ፓርት አለው ማለት ነው። ሶ እነዚህ ሰባቱን ሴክሽኖች ያካተተ መጽሐፍ ነው ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ይህንን ፕራክቲስ እንድታደርጉ ያግዛችኋል። መጽሐፉን በፒዲኤፍ ወይም በሶፍት ኮፒ ማግኘት ከፈለጋችሁ እዚህ ጋር በተቀመጡት አድራሻዎች ወደ ቴሌግራም ጻፉልን። ለዚህ ዩቲዩብ ቻናል አዲስ ከሆናችሁ እና ሰብስክራይብ ካላደረጋችሁ ሰብስክራይብ እያደረጋችሁ ቤተሰብ ሁኑ። አብረን እንቀጥላለን። አሁን ወደ ዛሬ የምናየው ሞዴል ኤግዛም ፎርን ነው። ከ1 እስከ 3 ከዚህ በፊት የሰራ ነው አለ። ለዛሬ የምናየው 4 ነው ማለት ነው። ሞዴል ኤግዛም ፎር። ስለዚህ 100 ጥያቄዎች ናቸው። ፎር ሞዴል ኤግዛም ፎር ላይ ያዘጋጀ ናቸው። እነዚህን 100 ጥያቄዎች ግራመር ፓርቱን እናያለን ማለት ነው። ነምበር 1 ኔልሰን ማንዴላ was born dash July 18 1980 in on at by ኦን የኛው ኦን ነው አይደለ? ኦን we use on for a specific date ማለት ነው። ስፔሲፊክ ዴት ነው እዚህ ጋር የተጠቀሰው ጁላይ 1980 ስለሚል ስፔሲፊክ ዴት ከተጠቀሰ ደግሞ ምን እንጠቀማለን? ኦን ማለት ነው። ኦን ጁላይ፣ ኦን መንዳይ፣ ኦን ቲውስዴይ እያለን እንጠቀማለን ማለት ነው። ነምበር 2 I was robbed because I forgot dash my door when I left locking lock to look to locking ሲ ቱ ሎክ ኦኬ። ይሄ ኢንፋይናቲቭ ፎርም ነው አይደለ? አፍተር ፎርጎት የሚል ወርድ አለ። ይሄኛው ከዚህ በኋላ የሚመጣ ወርድ ሁሉ ምንድነው የምንጠቀመው? ኢንፋይናቲቭ ፎርም ማለት ነው። ኦኬ when referring to action that should have been done is to look አይደለ? to lock 3 dash 8 they would have told us have they done, did they do they do, have they done a had they done it they would have told us ይሄኛው ሰርድ ኮንዲሽናል ስትራክቸር ነው አይደለ? ምክንያቱም ኢፍ ኮንዲሽኑ ይሄኛው ፓስት ነው፣ ፓስት ፐርፌክት ማለት ነው። ከዛ ይሄ ደግሞ would have ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ኦኬ ስለዚህ ይሄ ሰርድ ኮንዲሽናል ስትራክቸር ነው። had they done it if they had done it እንደማለት ነው። ኦኬ ፎር look at that drunk guy he is staggering so much I think he dash will fall, is falling, has fallen, is going to fall D is going to fall. Okay. Is going to expresses planned or imminent event based on present evidence ማለት ነው። ኤቪደንሱ ምንድን ነው? look at that drunk guy he is staggering so much ስለዚህ I think አለና he is going to fall ስለዚህ ይሄ ምንድን ነው? ኤቨንትን ለመግለጽ የምንጠቀምበት ነው። 5 when the king came to visit they allow dash beggar on the streets for the city no all none every a no allow no beggar means zero beggars ለማለት ነው። are allowed ዜሮ ቤጋርስ ኖ ቤጋር ካለን ዜሮ ቤጋር on the street ማለት ነው። 6 dash in the country can you find people free of such bias? Nowhere, anywhere, somewhere, everywhere. A nowhere. Okay, nowhere. The sentence implies there is no place ማለት ነው አይደለ? nowhere ማለት where people are free of bias ማለት ነው። nowhere means no place ማለት ነው። nowhere in the country. 7 Melat has done this dash. She was 20 yet from since still now. See since, okay, since. So ሲንስ ኢንዲኬትስ ስታርቲንግ ፖይንት ኢን ዘ ታይም አይደለ? ሲንስ ሺ ዋዝ 20 ከ20 ዓመቷ ጀምሮ ለማለት ነው አይደል? ከ20 ዓመቷ ጀምሮ ይህን እየሰራች ነበረ ለማለት ነው። ኦኬ ስለዚህ የጀመረበትን ታይም ለመግለጽ ሲንስ እንላለን። 8 ፕሊዝ አስክ ኢፍ ዘይ ሃቭንት ሜልድ ዘ ዶክመንት ዳሽ የት ናው ስቲል ቲል ናው። ኦኬ ኤ የት የት ኢዝ ዩዝድ ቱ ኔጌቲቭ ሴንቴንስስ እዚህ ጋር የተቀመጠው ኔጌቲቭ ሴንቴንስስ ነው አይደለ? ቱ ኢንዲኬቲንግ ሰምቲንግ ኤክስፔክትድ ሃዝ ኖት ሃፐንድ የሆነ ኤክስፔክትድ የተደረገ ነበረ። ፕሊስ አስክ ኢፍ ዘይ ሃቭንት ሜልድ ዘ ዶክመንት እዚህ ኤክስፔክት የተደረገው ምንድነው? ኤቨንቱ ተደርጓል አልተደረገ የሚለው ለመግለጽ የት እንጠቀማለን ማለት ነው። ኦኬ 9 when my sister came I dash at the bus station for an hour was being was have been had been. D had been. Okay past perfect ነው አይደል? had been shows an action continuing before another past action ማለት ነው። ይሄ I had at the bus station for an hour ይሄ መጀመሪያ የተደረገ ፓስት አክሽን ነው። when my sister came ሲስተር ስትመጣ እኔ ኦልሬዲ የት ነበርኩ? ባስ ውስጥ ባስ ስቴሽን ለአንድ ሰዓት ያህል ነበርኩ ለማለት ነው። ይህ ማለት ባስ ስቴሽን ጋር መሆኑ ቀድሞ የተደረገ ፓስት አክሽን ነው ይሄኛው ማለት ነው። 10 I get tired of school hardships. I'm really dash our vacation. Looking forward to, looking up to, looking in. B looking forward to. Looking forward to means anticipating with pleasure ማለት ነው። 11 the international community has taken some steps to address the problem of climate change. Dash what has been done so far is just a drop of water in an ocean. Nevertheless, moreover, otherwise, in fact. D in fact. In fact emphasizes the reality or the truth of the preceding statement ማለት ነው። ይሄ ፋክቱን ወይም ትሩዙን ለማለት ነው። ፍሮም ከዚህኛው ከመጀመሪያው ስቴትመንት በመነሳት ለመግለጽ የምንጠቀመው ማለት ነው። 12 the weather forecast reports it dash snow tomorrow. Will is going to will be. D will be. Okay further predications ምንድነው? will be for weather the forecast ለማለት ይሄኛው the weather forecast reports it will be snow tomorrow. prediction ወይም future predictionን ለመግለጽ ማለት ነው፣ ወይም ትንበያን ለመግለጽ። 13 ሽመልስ and ቦንቱ dash here 10 months ago they dash in this city for 5 months. Came had been have come had been came have been ኬም አር ሲ ኬም ሃቭ ቢን ኦኬ የፓስት አክሽን ኬም ማለት ነው አይደለ ሽመልስ ኤንድ ቦንቱ ኬም ሂር 10 መንዝስ ኤጎ አይደለ ከ10 ወር በፊት ሲል ፓስት ነው ማለት ነው የፓስት አክሽን ነው ከዛ ደግሞ ፕሬዘንት ፐርፌክት ነው አይደለ ቀጥሎ ያለ ሃቭ ቢን የሚለው they have been in the city for 5 months ይሄ ደግሞ they were in the past and still here ማለት ነው እስካሁን እዛ እንደሆኑ ለመግለጽ ነው 14 the alarm clock is ringing it dash time to get up can be must be maybe should be be must be okay must be indicates logical conclusion based on evidence 15 the two little boys steal my wallet and dash the area in seconds set off take off get off make off be make off okay make off means run away quickly ማለት ነው ይሄ የምንጠቀመው እዚህ ጋር with the stolen item ቦርሳውን ሰርቀው run away ወይም ደግሞ በፍጥነት ከዛ አካባቢ ተሰውሯል ሮጠዋል ማለት ነው make off 16 dash the long lasting drought the village were very effective in restoring life in their surroundings despite of no matter how regardless of in spite of see regardless of okay regardless of expressing contrast ነው አይደለ ኮንትራስትን ኤክስፕረስ ለማድረግ 17 he has secured his visa and everything necessary for his travel they say he dash move to the USA may will might is going to D is going to okay is going to indicates planned future action ወደፊት የታቀደን አክሽን ለመግለጽ is going to እንላለን ማለት ነው ኦኬ 18 listen to this great piece of music you dash it enjoy will enjoy are enjoying are going to enjoy be will enjoy you will enjoy it okay ይሄኛው predicts future enjoyment ማለት ነው ኦኬ የfuture enjoymentን ለመግለጽ ፕሪዲክሽንን ለመግለጽ ማለት ነው 19 dash living in a big house they only use the ground floor despite therefore because also D also means ኮንትራስት ወይም ተቃራኒ ሀሳቦች ማለት ነው ኦልዞ ሊቪንግ ኢን ዘ ቢግ ሃውስ ትልቅ ቤት እንኳን ቢኖሩም እንኳን አይደለ they only use the ground floor የሚጠቀሙት ነገር ግን የሚጠቀሙት ግራውንድ ፍሎርን ብቻ ነው ማለት 20 dash I was walking home it began to rain however although while if see while okay while I was walking home it began to rain okay during the time that ማለት ነው አይደለ ይሄኛው ወደ ቤት እየሄድኩ ያለ ዝናብ መዝነብ ጀመረ ዝናብ መጀመሩ እና walking home at the time ወይም ተመሳሳይ ታይም ላይ ሲከሰት ማለት ነው 21 ኪዳኔ what a pity all athletes were no prized then በለጠ oh yeah if they had run quickly they dash will have been prized would have been prized would be prized will be prized B would have been prized okay conditional sentence type 3 ነው አይደል ይሄ would have be ፕራይዝድ ይሄኛው ሃድ ራን ፓስት ፐርፌክት ነው። ስለዚህ ይሄ ሰርድ ታይፕ ኮንዲሽናል ነው። ፓስት አንሪል ኮንዲሽን ማለት ነው። ያልሆነ ነገርን ያለፈ ነገርን ለመግለጽ የምንጠቀምበት ነው። ይህ ኮንዲሽናል ስሪ የሚባለው ማለት ነው። 22 ዘ ትሬደርስ ዳሽ መኒ ካርስ ሲንስ ላስት የር ሃዝ ሶልድ ሃቭ ሶልድ ሴል ሲ ሃቭ ሶልድ ኦኬ ሃቭ ሶልድ ፕሬዘንት ፐርፌክት ሃቭ ሶልድ የሚለው አክሽን ፍሮም ደ ፓስት አይደለ ፓስት ኮንቲኒስ ቱ ደ ፕሬዘንት ማለት ነው። 23 the students dash are studying in the library are my best friends which whom whose who ኦኬ ዲ who አይደለ who የሰብጀክት ሪሌቲቭ ፕሮናውን ፎር ዘ ፒፕል አይደለ ይሄ who ፎር ዘ ፒፕል ሲሆን who እንጠቀማለን። 24 the meeting hall dash at the moment in the order to serve our participants as usual was being decorated is being decorated are being decorated C is being decorated ኦኬ ፕሬዘንት ኮንቲኒየስ ፓሲቭ ነው አይደለ ኦንጎይንግ አክሽን ሲሆን ይሄኛው is being decorated ይሆናል ማለት ነው። 25 the chairman couldn't make himself heard dash someone suggested that he uses a loudspeaker yet therefore however on the other hand B therefore okay therefore as a result እንደማለት ነው። as a result እዚህ ጋር የተቀመጡ ሁለቱ ሴንቴንሶች ሪዛልቱ ነው ይሄ therefore እንጠቀማለን። 26 dash girls playground is behind the school an a the b ነን ወይም ደግሞ ኖ አርቲክል ማለት ነው። ሲ ዘ ነው ይሄ ዘ የስፔሲፊክ ፕሌይግራውንድ ስፔሲፊክ ፕሌይግራውንድ ገርልስ ፕሌይግራውንድ ስለሚል ለሚታወቅ ነገር ነው ዘን የምንጠቀመዋል። ዘን የምንጠቀመው ስፔሲፊክ ወይም ደግሞ እዚህ ጋር ኮሚኒኬት ስለሚደረገው ነገር የሚታወቅ ከሆነ ዘን እንጠቀማለን ማለት ነው። 27 dash a rainy day we could have gone out for a walk had it been if it was hadn't it been had it have been A had it been ማለት ነው። ኦኬ had it been ኦኬ ኢንቨርትድ ኮንዲሽናል ነው። had it been means if it had been እንደማለት ነው። if it had been 28 አቶ ደጉ dash wife is a nurse goes to work on foot which whose whom who ቢ whose አይደል whose show possession ወይም ባለቤትነትን አቶ ደጉ ሚስቱ እንኳን በእግሯ የምትሄደው ለማለት ነው። ነርስ ሚስቱ ወይም የሱ የባለቤትነት እንትን ለመግለጽ ነው whose የምንጠቀመው። 29 they were exhausted highly because they dash all day have been driving had been driving ዲ had been driving ኦኬ ፓስት ፐርፌክት ኮንቲኒየስ አይደለ ይሄኛው ፓስት ፐርፌክት ኮንቲኒየስ ደግሞ አክሽን ኮንቲኒዩንግ አፕ ቱ a point in the past 30 dash she studied hard she failed the exam even though however especially in spite of A even though okay even though means contrast clause ወይም የተለያየ ሀሳብ ያላቸው ነው። even though she studied hard ጠንክራ ብታጠናም እንኳን ፈተናውን ማለፍ አልቻለችም ፌል አድርጋለች ማለት 31 Sarah isn't dash she used to B. A good singer as a good singer as good a singer as so good a singer than C. as a good singer as A. as ከዛ አጀክቲቭ ኤ ናውን አስ እንጠቀማለን ማለት ነው እዚህ ጋር 32 they took her to the dentist that she could get some help so consequently that in order to okay in order to plus verb ነው አይደል እዚህ ጋር የተጠቀምነው verb in order to she could get some help 33 I have had a serious coughing and high temperature it dash pneumonia seems looks like is the same as likes B looks like it looks like pneumonia it looks like used to indicate symptoms resemble a particular conditions ማለት ነው okay 34 dash it rained heavily we had to cancel our trip the road was too muddy since however as a result because of A since it rained heavily we had to cancel our trip okay since indicates the reason for cancelling the trip አይደለ since የሚለው ትሪፑን ካንስል ማድረጉን ምክንያቱን ለመግለጽ ማለት ነው 35 I have been trying to give up some smoking for years now I wish I dash in the first place never started had never started have never started was never starting B had never started okay had never started the past perfect he had never started is used to express regret ወይም ጸጸትን ማለት ነው about the past action 36 marijuana is sold dash in this country you can even be jailed if you are found with it anywhere somewhere nowhere everywhere see nowhere okay marijuana is sold nowhere in this country you can even be jailed if you are found it with okay ምንድነው nowhere means ኢሌጋል መሆኑን ለማሳየት የት ቦታ አይሸጥም አይፈቀድም ማለት ነው ማሪዋና 37 dash you and your wife have concocted this I have never said that both nor all either D either ነው either used to indicate one or the other ማለት ነው አይደል responsible either you and your wife have concocted this 38 the purchasers should be accountable for what had happened dash piece is faulty all neither both every the every ነው የኛው every piece ሲል ምንድን ነው referring to all individual items in the group ማለት ነው 39 Deborah wishes her boss dash her straight promotion as she had been working diligently for long years had given give would have given would give they would give okay express wish about the present or ደግሞ future situationን ምን ዊሽን ለመግለጽ ማለት ነው። 40 you would not have this job if I dash you for interview. Have not prepared, don't prepare, was not prepared, D had not prepared. D had not prepared. ሶ ይሄኛው ኮንዲሽናል ታይፕ 3 ነው አይደል? ሪኳየርድ ፓስት ፐርፌክት እንደ ኢፍ ክሎዝ። ኢፍ ክሎዙ ምንድነው? ፓስት ፐርፌክት። ሃድ ኖት ፕሪፔርድ ፓስት ፐርፌክት ነው። ከዛ ሜን ኮንዲሽኑ ደግሞ ሜን ክሎዙ ውድ ሃቭ ይሆናል ማለት ነው። 41 አይ ዳሽ ቱ ካናዳ ፎር ኤ ሆሊዴይ ዊዝ ማይ ማዘር። አይ ዳሽ ቱ ካናዳ 3 ታይምስ። ፍሊው ሃቭ ቢን፣ ፍሊው ሃድ ቢን፣ ፍላይ ሃቭ ቢን፣ ፍሊው ዋዝ። I flew to Canada for a holiday with my mother. I have been to 3 times ማለት ነው። ኦኬ ይሄኛው ሲምፕል ፓስት ስፔሲፊክ ፓስት ትሪፕ ለመግለጽ ነው። ፕሬዘንት ፐርፌክት ፎር ኤክስፒሪየንስ ለመግለጽ ደግሞ ሃቭ ቢን ፕሬዘንት ፐርፌክት ማለት ነው። 42 I don't think your friend is good person. I advise you dash thinking about her. To stop, stopping, stop, stopped. Stop, to stop, okay? Advice ነው ይሄኛው to stop, okay? I advise you to stop thinking about her. 43 he gets stomach dash he eats acidic food wherever, whatever, whenever, whichever. See whenever, okay? Whenever indicates anytime that condition occurs ማለት ነው። 44 I dash for the exam before I realized it was cancelled. Have studied, study, am studying, had studied. D had studied, okay? Past perfect is used to action completed before another past action ማለት ነው። ይህ past perfect ማለት I had studied for the exam before I realized it was cancelled ማለት ነው። 45 dash his performance he deserved a promotion although however such as based on D based on his performance he deserves a promotion ስለዚህ based on indicates that his promotion is justified by his performance. 46 oranges dash from Paraguay imported, are imported, have imported, had imported. B are imported, okay? present simple passive ነው አይደል? ይሄ for general truth ነው ይሄ። 47 her father didn't give her any present for her birthday. That's why she felt so sad. I wish she dash a present on that unforgettable day. Had been given, would given, gave, were given. A had been given, okay? ይሄኛው past perfect passive ነው ይሄኛው አይደለ? past perfect passive ነው ይሄኛው። so express to get about the past event ነው። 48 there is no hope of dash money for the research. We have searched all the means to getting it. See getting, okay? Getting after hope of we use the gerund ing form ማለት ነው። 49 he failed to submit his assignment on time dash he lost 10% of his marks as a result because however then a as a result shows consequences ለመግለጽ as a result he lost 10% of his marks ነው የሪዛልትን ወይም ኮንሲኩዌንሱን ለመግለጽ ነው he failed to submit his assignment on time okay 50 I wish I dash a bigger car mine is too small have would had C had okay present unreal with the past simple form ማለት ነው 51 they would have been here hours ago if they had followed me this means they were around her here they didn't follow me they followed me they are still here B they didn't follow me okay የኮንዲሽናል ታይፕ 3 አይደለ አንሪል ፓስት so they didn't follow me so they are late ማለት ነው 52 some people prefer to work in teams dash others thrive in solitary environment on the other hand therefore despite moreover okay A on the other hand አይደለ on the other hand indicates contrasts ማለት ነው 53 David said to Helena Muna will leave for her native place tomorrow A David told Helena that Muna will leave for her native place tomorrow B David told Helena that Muna left for her native place the next day C David told Helena that Muna would leaving her native place tomorrow D David told Helena that Muna would leave for native place the next day D David told Helena that Muna would leave her native place the next day ማለት ነው ይሄ እዚህ ጋር ቱሞሮ የሚለው ኔክስት ዴይ ይሆናል ማለት ነው አይደለ ወደ ሪፖርትድ ስፒች ሲቀየር ማለት ነው ኦኬ ሶ ይሄኛውን ምንድነው ፊውቸር ሲሆን ኔክስት ዴይ በሚለው ተቀይሯል ማለት ነው እዚህ ጋር 54 dash enough sleep is very important for good health get is getting to get A ጌቲንግ አይደለ ጌቲንግ ጀረንድ ነው ጀረንድ የምንለው ወይም አይነጂ ፎርም ያለው ሁሉ ጊዜ የሚያገለግለን እንደ ሰብጀክት ሆኖ ነው እዚህ ጋር የሚያገለግለን ማለት ነው 55 we dash reduce the price if we wanted to sell our house must would have to will have to had to B would have to okay would have to ይሄ ኮንዲሽናል ሴንቴንስ ነው if you wanted እንደማለት ነው አይደል 56 it seems she wants me to do her a favor you know she has never been as nice dash me as she is on with 2 4 ሲ ቱ ኦኬ ይሄ ኮሎኬሽን ይባላል ሁለት ሴንተንስ ናይስ ቱ ሰምዋን ሚንስ ኖት ቱ ናይስ ኦን ዊዝ ፎር እንጠቀማለን ማለት ነው ይሄኛው 57 I heard she became a dash ambassador lucky her she would tour countries in the world. roaming, touring, visiting, walking. ሲ ቪዚቲንግ ኦኬ ቪዚቲንግ አምባሳደር a visiting ambassador is a common term for someone who travel officially ማለት ነው። ቱሪንግ እና ሮሚንግ ኖት ዩዝድ ፎር ኦፊሻል ታይትልስ ለኦፊሻል አምባሳደር ለተሰጠ እንትን ቱሪንግ እና ሮሚንግ አንጠቀምም ማለት ነው። የምንጠቀመው ብዙ ጊዜ ቪዚቲንግ ነው ማለት ነው። 58 if you were to be a teacher you dash have to join college of education and take the necessary training. You can't jump into the profession from the street. would, will, shall, could. a would የኮንዲሽናል ታይፕ ቱ ማለት ነው አይደለ? ኮንዲሽናል ሴንቴንስ ታይፕ ቱ ነው ይሄ would የሚለው ኤክስፕረስ ዘ ሃይፖቴቲካል ሪዛልትስ። 59 ከበደ and yeshi are looking for a house to buy. I think they dash soon. Mary are getting married. May be marrying. Will marry. D will marry. Okay, will marry. The sentence predicts future event. will marry የሚለው ማለት ነው። 60 she said that she dash the squirrel the following day. will catch, would catch, is going to catch, caught. ቢ ውድ ካች ኦኬ ሪፖርተር ስፒች ማለት ነው። ዊል የሚለው ኢት ሽፍትስ ቱ ውድ ማለት ነው አይደል? 61 ኖ ሱነር ዳሽ ዘ ሆል ትሩዝ ዳሽ አይ ኬም ሆም አይ ዲስከቨር ሂም ዛን አይ ዲስከቨርድ ሂም ዌን አይ ዲድንት ዲስከቨር ዌን ዲድ አይ ዲስከቨር ዛን did I discover no sooner did I discover the whole truth that I came home ማለት ነው አይደል? ይሄ no sooner than እንላለን requires inversion in the first clause. no sooner didn't I discover the truth that I came home. Diana coming in dash does my mother so either neither as well. ሲ ኔዘር ኔዘር ኦኬ ኔጌቲቭ ነው አይደል? ሴንቴንሱ ፎር ኔጌቲቭ ዊ ዩዝ ኔዘር ማለት ነው። እስቲ ሶሪ ኢት ዳሽ አወር ዶግ ዊች ባርክድ ኮንቲኒየስሊ ዘ ሆል ናይት አስ አወር ዶግ ዋዝ ሙቭድ ቱ አወር ኒው ሃውስ ካን ኖት ሃቭ ቢን ኩድ ኖት ቢ would not have been could not have been. He could not have been. Okay, this express impossibility in the past ማለት ነው። 64 my sister dash her lunch by this the time we arrived. finished, had finished, will have finished, are finished. B had finished. B past perfect used to an action completed before another past action ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ እዚህ ጋር ይሄኛው past perfect ነው። had finished then by the time we arrived የሚለው ደግሞ ሌላ past action ነው። ስለዚህ መጀመሪያ የተደረገው ይሄ had finished የሚለው ነው ማለት ነው። 65 press the button in front of you dash you hear the bell ring. If you could do it before anyone the money will be yours while as soon as not too late. be as soon as immediate actionን ለመግለጽ after another action ማለት ነው። 66 I don't understand why she suspected us dash from among us would want his money? No one, anyone, no anyone, not someone. Okay, no one. Okay, negative context requires no one አለ to express that nobody would do that ማለት ነው። 67 next year by this time he dash his degree and be starting his new job. Complete, will complete, will have completed, will be complete. See, will have completed. Okay, የፊውቸር ፐርፌክት ነው። ኤክስፕረስ አን አክሽን ኮምፕሊትድ ባይ ሰርቴን ፊውቸር ታይም ማለት ነው። 68 none of the few furniture we bought last week dash yet has arrived, arrived, have arrived, will have arrived. ኤ has arrived ነን አይደለ ሲንጉላር ነው። ስለዚህ has እንጠቀማለን ማለት ነው። ኦኬ when referring to uncountable noun like furniture ስንል ሲንጉላር ነው has arrived። 69 the AU headquarters had hardly dash time these days because of the recent political turmoil. Any, some, many, a few. any hardly ኔጌቲቭ አድቨርብ ነው አይደለ? as it pairs with any ነው። not some, not many እዚህ ጋር ማለት ነው። hardly any time means very little time ማለት ነው። 70 dash had a broken leg. He continued to attend all his classes. Nevertheless, in spite of the fact, and in spite of, because of. B in spite of the fact that ማለት ነው አይደል? we need a clause with the subject that and a verb after the blank in spite of the fact that he had broken leg. ስለዚህ in spite of ሲል alone requires a noun. 71 scientists have found a big body of water under a planet's surface. Dash they think it's not the only body of water they will find. What's more, as, so that. A what's more ማለት ነው። ኦኬ what's more means in addition ማለት ነው or more importantly ማለት ነው። ኦኬ 72 Dr. Ayanto is the most experienced doctor in the surgery dash everybody treats her with respect because as so however. B as okay as here means the therefore እንደማለት ነው። ኦኬ so or so that ማለት ነው። 73 I wish I dash so much at Basis party. Now I don't feel well. Hadn't eaten, don't eat, didn't eat, wouldn't eat. A hadn't eat. Okay I wish ይልና ከዛ past perfect ነው እዚህ ጋር ያለው is used to express regret ወይም ደግሞ ጸጸትን ማለት ነው about the past action. She regrets eating too much. ብዙ በመብላቷ ነው regret ወይም የተጸጸተች ያለች I hadn't eaten so much at Basis party ነው። ምክንያቱም እዚህ ጋር ምን now I don't feel well. 74 many countries are adopting renewable energy dash Germany has significantly increased its solar energy production. In conclusion, for example, consequently, in addition. B, for example, okay, Germany is given as an example ነው እዚህ ጋር ጀርመን የተጠቀሰችው ማለት ነው። 75 it's difficult dash why she left her job. knowing to know, knowing to knowing that. B, to know, okay, to know it's difficult to know ይሄ ኢንፋናይቲቭ ፎርም ነው expressing about the difficulty ማለት ነው። 76 the flight was delayed due to the storm dash many passengers complained for example as a result also however. as a result አይደለ complaint of the consequence ማለት ነው አይደል of the delay ስለዚህ as a result indicates the question. 77 it was a disgusting weekend dash anything I didn't do I didn't do I didn't do I don't. See, I didn't do. Okay, I didn't do. ይሄ ኔጌቲቭ ፓስት ፎርም ነው ዲድንት ዱ የሚለው። 78 he went outside dash he could get some fresh air so that also in order to so that so as so that okay so that he could get some fresh air show the purpose in order to could work but requires a verb without the subject ማለት ነው። 79 did you hear those dogs dash most of night barked barking bark to bark. B, barking okay barking after hear we use the ing form ማለት ነው። ይሄ hear የሚለዋል 80 don't say anything like that to me dash again forever whenever never ever never okay never again የኢዲዮም ነው አይደለ so the forbidden ወይም repeating an action ማለት ነው። 81 I was very sad to hear that your mother dash had died I mean has died had died dies would die. B, had died reported past event requires past perfect ማለት ነው። I was sad to hear that she had died የሚለው ይሄ ፓስት ፐርፌክት ይሆናል ማለት ነው ሪፖርትድ ሲሆን። 82 we all should learn to be more kind dash each other with for to at. See to okay kind to someone ማለት ነው ኦኬ ይሄ ኮሎኬሽን ይባላል። 83 everyone knew about the change in the exam schedule but dash of them told me about it. Some, few, none, any. None of them told me indicates zero people ማለት ነው informal the informal okay informed the speaker ማለት ነው። 84 had you helped your neighbors during their problems and developed social bonding you dash to this extent wouldn't have been isolated would have isolated wouldn't have been isolated weren't not isolated. C, wouldn't have been isolated ይህ ሰርድ ኮንዲሽናል ነው። ኢዝ ዩዝድ ፎር ሃይፖቴቲካል ፓስት ኤቨንትስ ሃድ ዩ ሄልፕድ ዩ ውድንት ሃቭ ቢን አይሶሌትድ ማለት ነው። 85 ሂዝ ፍሬንድስ ኤክስፔክት ዳሽ ጉድ ፍሮም ጀማል አስ ሂ ኦልዌይስ ጎ አጌንስት ዜር አይዲያስ ኔቲንግ ሰምቲንግ ኖት ኤኒቲንግ ነን ኦፍ ኤኒቲንግ ኤ ናቲንግ ኦኬ ኤክስፔክት ኔቲንግ የምንለው ሂ ኦልዌይስ ጎዝ አጌንስት አይዲያስ ማለት ነው። ሶ ኖ ጉድ ኢዝ expected. 68 unfortunately some children were brought dash badly by their parents and don't know right distinguishing from wrong in out on up okay d up brought up badly ነው okay የፍሬዛል ቨርብ ነው አይደል brought up badly ስለዚህ upbringing ወይም raising the children ማለት ነው። 87 you dash go to the ceremony if you don't feel like it I will be very boring anywhere don't have must have to must a don't have to expressing absence of obligations ማለት ነው since the sentence implies that it's optional ማለት ነው። 88 dash you study diligently you never understand the trigonometry unless so if otherwise a unless okay unless means if not ማለት 89 the meeting dash place tomorrow after at 5 o'clock will take is taking will be taken took a will take okay will take it's the phrase take the place means happen ማለት ነው። 90 dash out of the sea in front of us the sun started to warm our faces to be risen rose rising rise be rose out of the sea ይህ ፓስት ቴንስ ነው to indicate the action of the sun appearing ማለት ነው። 91 the dash calories you consume the more exercise you need to do to burn most more fewer the most be more okay የኮምፓሬቲቭ ስትራክቸር ነው the more calories you consume the more exercise you need to do burn ማለት ነው። 92 I dash any good films so for the last 6 months had not seen have not seen did not seen I didn't see be have not seen okay present perfect ነው have not seen የሚለው used to express for experience up to the present ያለው experience ለመግለጽ ማለት ነው። 93 I wish I dash a quieter place to study as the noise around me makes it hard to concentrate had has had has had a had okay had I wish ይልና past tense express the present unreal situation ለመግለጽ ማለት ነው። ኦኬ 94 the book dash had been sitting on my shelf for years, turning out to be an incredible read. That were which was C. which introduces non-restrictive relative clauses referring about the book ማለት ነው። 95 dash he feels stressed, he takes a walk in the park to clear his mind whenever while scenes after. A. whenever, okay. Whenever means anytime he feels stressed. 96 I enjoy dash to spiritual songs while walking, listening to listened. A. listening I enjoy listening። ስለዚህ አፍተር ኢንጆይ የሚለው ወርድ በኋላ ብዙ ጊዜ አይኤንጂ የለው ቨርብ ወይም ጀረንድ ነው የሚመጣው ማለት ነው። 97 when will you dash give us the next tutorial sir? able to code can able be able to be able to future question requires will plus be able to አይደለ for ability ማለት ነው። 98 the coach made the players dash the exercise again and again. to do done doing. be do okay do after made the bare infinitive without to ማለት ነው። 99 she dash her coffee after she dash it thoroughly. has drunk stirred had stirred drunk had drunk had stirred drunk has stirred. C. drunk had stirred okay የፓስት ፐርፌክት ነው። had stirred shows the action happened first then drank ማለት ነው አይደል። 100 this is the man dash wife was robbed yesterday. which whom what whose. D. whose wife was robbed yesterday አይደል። ይሄ shows the possession the man whose wife የሚለው ማለት ነው። ኦኬ this is the end of today's lesson ማለት ነው። ዛሬ የእነዚህን ጥያቄዎች በዚሁ ጨርሰናል። ሌሎች ሞዴል ኤግዛሞችንም እንቀጥላለን። ሌሎች የትምህርት አይነቶችንም ማለት ነው። ለኢንትራንስ ኤግዛም እንዲሁም ደግሞ ለክፍላቸው የፈተና ዝግጅት በቀላሉና በአጭር ጊዜ ውስጥ እንድትዘጋጁ የሚያግዟችሁን ጥያቄዎች እያዘጋጀን እንገኛለን። ጥያቄዎቹን የያዘ አጋዥ መጽሐፍ አዘጋጅተናል። እንግሊዝኛ ኢንትራንስ ኤግዛም የሚያግዝ ጥያቄ ማለት ነው። ይህ መጽሐፍ ኢንትራንስ ኤግዛም በአጭር ጊዜና በቀላሉ እንድትዘጋጁ ያግዛችኋል። መጽሐፉን በሶፍት ኮፒ ወይም በፒዲኤፍ ማግኘት ከፈለጋችሁ እዚህ ጋር በተቀመጡት አድራሻዎች ጻፉልን። ለዚህ ዩቲዩብ ቻናል አዲስ ከሆናችሁና ሰብስክራይብ ካላደረጋችሁ ሰብስክራይብ ያደርጋችሁ ቤተሰቡን አብረን እንቀጥላለን። ለሚቀጥለው በሌላ ቶፒክ እስከምንገናኝ ሰላም ሁኑ።